Hey everyone, you ever find yourself waking up with a sore jaw or feeling like you've been chewing all night? You might be grinding your teeth while you sleep, and trust me, you're not alone in this. So here's the deal, it's called Bruxism, and it is more than just grinding your teeth. It can lead to some serious stuff like jaw problems, worn on enamel, and even damaged dental work. Yeah, not fun at all. But why do we even do it? Well, most experts think it's a mix of emotional and physical factors. Stress is a big trigger. So if you're feeling the grind, it might be time to take a chill pill, and literally and figuratively. And here's how we can help. First up, we can design a custom mouth appliance. It's not as sci fi as it sounds, it simply stops you from grinding and protects your pearly whites. And then there's Botox. Yep, Botox. It's not just for wrinkles, it can actually relax those overacting muscles in your jaw, giving you a much needed break and a lot less pain. And if grinding has already taken its toll, no worries. With cosmetic dentistry, we can restore your smile to its former glory and protect it. We are talking about beautiful functional results that are meant to last. So if you're tired of waking up tired and in pain, or you're concerned about the wear on your teeth, let's chat about how we can give your smile and you a good night's rest. Drop a comment or send us a message. Let's tackle that grinding together and keep that smile shining bright.